Magkano kaya magagastos sa slab 3.5 meters by 10 meters? So yung floor area nito ng 3.5 by 10 is 35 square meters, buddy. Ngayon, ano ba yung kapal ng slab mo? At ano ba location ng slab mo? Kung second floor ba siya or ground floor? Kasi mas mura kapag ka ground floor. Kapag ka second floor, mas mataas dahil gagamit ka pa ng forma, ng tukod, at ng mas maraming bakal. Kung ground floor, let's say ground floor itong tanong mo, buddy. So, 3.5 by 10 meters. Ibig sabihin, 35 square meters. Let's say, ang kapal niya is 6 inches, 10.15 cm. So, lalabas yan sa akin, nasa 40,000 to 50,000 pesos, buddy. Slab lang yun, ha? Ano na siya? Labor and materials na. Kapag second floor, mas mahal ang magagastos, buddy, dahil mas maraming materyales at labor na uubusin. And this is Yuri, your builder buddy.